So here I am in my storage shed looking through some boxes of planner stuff that I have in storage just because I'm not using them and I don't want to obviously throw this stuff away. But I did have, I wanted to pull out some of my traveler's notebooks because I was feeling the urge to use them again, but I wasn't sure which ones I wanted to use. So I've got some, I was thinking about this purple one just because I miss it, but then I have this one too, and of course you know how we are, we love them all. But yeah, I think I want to play in this one, and this is my B6 Mo term. And this is, I think this is a standard size TN that I was using. Let's see if I can flip through this. Oh yeah, so I still obviously have it set up. It probably needs to be updated some. So yeah, let's bring these out and see what we can do as far as either updating or setting up. It's crazy to me how much stuff I have, but yet I'm not using it. I think that's why I put all of this in here, just because I was getting overwhelmed. And this isn't even the only bin. I have another bin. What's in here? Oh, that is my other motor, my A5 motor. So yeah, I think I'm gonna, I don't know if I should bring this whole bin inside. Maybe I'll do that, just because I think I want to play in these. I want to update them, and I want to, you know, go through them and see what all I've got, because I know I'm going to update these two. But now that I'm looking, I think I want to update all of them and see what works and what feels good right now. So maybe I'll do that. Okay, so I brought the bin inside, and now I'm going to go through the planners and see what we can update, what we can change. I may even purge some of this stuff, who knows. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. These these things are so cold, but let's see what we got. Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do another update to one of my traveler's notebooks. I was going to actually redo this whole setup in this Webster's Pages traveler's notebook that I've actually had for a while. And then when I started kind of playing around with it, putting inserts in, I realized that I just wasn't feeling it. Nothing wrong with the TN, but I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't really what I wanted. So what I did is I went ahead and I updated my Sunday Leathercraft standard size traveler's notebook. Now I have done I think an unboxing and a setup video for this a while ago. It's probably been at least 2 years now. But I went ahead and I did another refresh. I did another update. I took out the inserts that I had, and I went ahead and just kind of, you know, made it more of what I am, what I am kind of, I guess, matching it. It's matching my personality more right now. And plus, I just wanted to start fresh. You know, the inserts were old, and it just really needed an update. So I went ahead and dug this out of my storage bin. And some of the things in here are the same from when I had it set up initially, but there are some new additions, so I thought I would share that. Now, as far as what I'm going to use this traveler's notebook for, I don't have any specific ideas, but I do want to, I want to either journal, or I want to just have a place where I can write down thoughts and feelings about my health and wellness. For some reason, I'm just feeling the call to do that. Now, obviously, this will be different than my health and wellness notebook, because this is just going to be more, I guess, journaling focused. So I've got the zip pouch here, and I have some page flags in there. And then I just threw these in there because I thought the colors matched. This is a journaling card from Erin Condren that I've had for years. And then I have a Simply Gilded bow sticker, like I said, that I just threw in there because I thought it matched. In this pocket, I have some more Simply Gilded. I thought this was a cute little picture of this girl with Afro puffs, so I threw her in there. And then again, just some, I think this is a Simply Gilded freebie that I got, again, probably a year or two ago. So my first insert is a Michaels insert. This is a weekly insert. You get 2 weeks on 2 pages. And you also get the monthly layout. And this is just something I had in my stash, so I decided to throw it in there. I really like this cover. It's like a holographic mermaid. And this was an unused insert, so I decided, yeah, you know, I will go ahead and use this one. And then I have an ollie clip that I've had for years as well. And this is the back of the zip pouch. I don't have anything in there as of yet. Then I have one of these folders that I've had, again, for years. And I can't remember the name of this, but I will look it up and I will throw it on the screen. This is a insert, yeah, I guess folder. And then this is another one of those Michaels inserts. They come 3 in a pack, and this one is just blank. It's just plain white paper, and this is the back of that folder. And I threw some stickers in here that I've probably had for years that I just want to use up, so I put those in there. Then I have another plastic zip pouch. This is the front. These are just some scrapbook paper that I had that I thought looked nice in here. And same with the butterfly design. And this is another new insert that I put in. I covered the insert with scrapbook paper just because I don't like the craft cover. And again, just using stuff from my stash. And this is another blank insert, but this one is kind of a off-white ivory color. This is the back of the zip pouch. And I have another one of those folders, again with more stickers. And this is an insert from the same, oh, here we go. Dilutions, that's right, Dilutions. And this is an insert that matches this cover. And I got this years ago and I never used this, but it's a dot grid insert. And I love these inserts because the pages are like cardstock. And I apologize if you hear Caden screaming in the background. But anyway, that's the last insert. And oh, I do have some old notes in here. Okay, well, those don't belong in there. But anyway, and then this is the back pocket of the TN, and I don't have anything in there. But so that's the updated setup of that. I'm probably going to be doing a lot of updated Traveler's Notebook setups because it seems like you guys like those videos and I like doing them. So I'll share more about my Traveler's Notebooks, because what I didn't realize is that I'm actually purging my collection of Traveler's Notebooks, because there's a lot in there that I just don't use and I just don't resonate with anymore. So I decided, you know what, it's time to just kind of, you know, let go of some things, and some things I've just outgrown, or some things, you know, just don't work for me anymore, or they're just not my style or my preference, or, you know, whatever. So I will be using this, like I said, probably for a health and wellness journal, because I won't be using this as a planner, but I know I do want to find, or I do want to create a place where I can just kind of write down how things are going with me. You know, I'm in a new phase of life, and I'm just really excited about the new year and all of the opportunities and the potential that I'm sure is going to be coming all of our way. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Drop them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll check in with you again very soon.